What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So we're going to do another chart analysis for SoFi Technologies. The last time I looked at SoFi was last week, Friday. So since then, price has continued to drop down lower. So when I looked at SoFi Technologies, it was last week, Friday. And you can see how the bulls were not able to get above that $9.10 level. It was getting rejected multiple times. It was also at the top side of this yellow uptrend. So whenever price is at the top side, just like in the past, it will slowly work its way to the opposite side. So that's what we saw occur on Monday and Tuesday. So what now? Well, the bulls can continue to still maintain the angle of ascent because we're still within this uptrend channel. But that's not that likely to occur. There's a good chance that we may start seeing momentum towards the downside, possibly even another large leg down. The reason being is that we did see two legs up. So this was one leg up by the bulls right over here. This was one leg up, and then we saw the second leg up. Then that can mark the center of the pattern for another leg down. However, the next leg down doesn't have to be this large. It could just be two small attempts to reach it and then fail, or it could be, much larger and then fail. So it doesn't always have to reach the target. But this is the location that the bears are trying to get to eventually, if they can break that $8 level first. So in the meantime, since price is still within this yellow channel, there's still a possibility to see higher prices. However, that might not be that likely to occur. Because we did see two legs up and continued rejection from that $9 level. But if the market looks bullish, which it is, such as the SPY and even PayPal, what I looked at just recently, I think there is that possibility for price to maintain this angle of ascent. So even if we do see a break of this channel, there's still a possibility to still see continuation to the upside. So overall, this is still a bearish territory for SoFi. Staying below the $9 level is not a good look for the bulls. But in the short term, very short term, in the past couple of weeks, it looks like bulls are still trying to climb up higher and higher. They are facing resistance, but they are maintaining this angle of ascent. So I wouldn't say it's completely over for them because the measurement target isn't exactly met yet. So we can still see another push up higher. Let me find out the exact target or close enough. So this is all one leg right over here, and move this over. So yeah, they didn't exactly reach the target. There's still a little bit more room left to the 928. So I'll leave that there until we reach it. We can still see another attempt up. So we can still see another attempt up by the bulls towards that measurement target, and we're still within this yellow uptrend channel. So that's a good sign. If we start breaking it and start seeing aggressive selling, then the bears have completely taken over the market, and they may continue to push down price to that $8 level and even lower. But as right now, SoFi is finding support at the channel lows. There is support at the 838, and there is support at the $8 level. So that's how I'm looking at SoFi Technologies. There's quite a bit of ways to go down. There's a lot of resistance in the way for price to continue working down. So the bulls do have an upper hand as of right now. But again, you can still see that $9 level is critical. I don't see price, continuing full-blown uptrend until we can break that level and, start finding support from it and continuing to rocket off that level. Until then, it's going to be acting as resistance. So as long as SoFi is below that level, I'm be looking for more downside. But in the short term, it is looking favoring the bulls because we do see that price is still maintaining the channel support and the measurement target has been met, so we can still see another attempt up. So that's what I see for SoFi on the daily chart. It is in bearish territory overall, but the bulls are not giving up. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart, and you can see that we are a little bit away from the EMA, but that's not that big of a deal. And price has been climbing up since mid-August. We are fighting resistance at that $9 level. But again, resistance can be broken. The measurement target is still in play, and we are still seeing price maintaining this angle of ascent. So again, there's bullish signs and there's bearish signs. My job is to figure out who is stronger. Are there a lot more bearish signs than bullish signs, or are there a lot more bullish signs than bearish signs? As of right now, I say it's slightly even, maybe leaning towards the bullish side. So that's why I'm still seeing a possible another attempt up by the bulls. Either way, I'll give you guys an update on Friday. Let's see if the bulls can get to that 928 level or the 930 level. If not, then again, the $8 level looks like a strong magnet for price because it has been tested multiple times. That's all I have for SoFi Technologies this week. And I'll give you guys an update Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.